Well, welcome back, friends. I have another birthday haul to show you, and tomorrow we are celebrating Kavannah Abigail's 9th birthday, so let me show you what we got her and where you can find all of it yourself. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you've stopped by. My name is Katie. I have 8 kids, and 6 of those 8 kids have birthdays in a 2-month span that we call birthday season every spring. Kavannah is our second of those 6 during birthday season, and she is turning 9 this year. So let me show you what we got Kavannah for her birthday. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stick around to see what everybody else is getting for their birthdays. I will link a playlist down below of all the various gifts and birthdays and holidays that we have done in the past. When I asked Kavannah what she wanted, she had a pretty short list also. If you missed Carsten's from a couple weeks ago, he also had a very short want list. Kavannah was the same way, so I think I managed to hit her list pretty well and get a couple extra surprises as well. So first of all, she asked for a sketchbook and an art set and a lap desk or table for the car so that she can color in the car. So I got a great big sketchbook with a nice pretty blue cover, and then instead of like a pre-made art set, I got these twistables, color pencils, and crayons so that she can kind of pick and choose what she wants to use. And then also the silly scents have been pretty popular in our house recently, so I did get both markers and the color pencils in the scented ones, so that way she can kind of pick and choose and mix and match and take these with her. And then to go with all of these things, I got this. Is actually from IKEA. I happen to be, again, if you missed my first birthday season video of the year for Carsten, I happened to be in IKEA a couple days before Carsten's birthday. He got a big stuffed golden retriever toy, and I also saw these lap desks. So this is like a hard top, but it has a zipper and a soft case on the back. So you can actually put like the sketchbook and the crayons and stuff inside of here, and it has a handle to carry it with, but then it also has the tray table for the car. So I thought that that would probably kind of cover all the bases, if you will. She'll be able to use it in the car as well as carry her art supplies in there. The next thing that she asked for was a Lego set with lots of animals. Specifically, lots of animals. So I found this Lego Friends Pet Adoption Day set. It has a pig, a cat, a dog, a hamster. There might be a bird in there somewhere. I don't even remember. But all the little animals and their accessories and all the things. So hopefully this is enough animals for her. It was the most that I could find in current Lego sets. Again, if this is your first time stopping by, we do Lego for pretty much every event ever. But I do have an entire video about how I store and organize and display all of our large family's Lego creations. I will leave that linked in the description below. You can check that out if you would like to know more. And then Kavannah also asked for some string. And after asking some more clarifying questions, I discovered she meant like some crafting string. So I got both a large pack of different colored embroidery floss as well as yarn. You know, I think she really wants this for like crafts and friendship bracelets and art projects and that kind of stuff. So this is lots of fun colors and a couple different textures, so she can kind of use these however she wants. She is really into sort of drawing and coloring and arts and crafts and all of that stuff right now. So this is just sort of a wide variety for whatever her little heart desires. A couple bonus things that she didn't ask for. I found this Hello Kitty, a little cosmetics case at Marshall's, I believe Marshall's, in the checkout line while I was getting something completely unrelated, but she does love a little Hello Kitty here and there. It's just fun, right? It's not for any specific purpose, but little girls always have plenty of little things that they can store. So I had to have it. Kavannah is into playing Minecraft with her older brothers and sister and their friends online. They have a little private Zoom chat room that they play together in. And Kavannah's the only one without a set of gaming headphones for her computer. These little pink ones were from Target. I will see if I can find the same ones on Amazon and link them below for you. But yeah, so These are USB gaming headphones with microphone and the headset so that she can participate in the Zoom meeting and chat with her little friends while they play Minecraft. Kavannah has been known to frequently wander around the house with a blanket over her shoulders or sometimes even over her head. She likes to snuggle with it. Last year, I got her a little throw blanket with unicorns on it for her birthday. I will leave last year's birthday video down here as well. This year, Target had a hooded blanket. So this is a little unicorn head that's a hood, and it just opens up into a big fluffy plush blanket, and it's really soft. So this is something that she does all the time anyway. This will be a lot of fun for her. And finally, the one thing that Kavannah has consistently asked for months over and over is a new bike. She has outgrown her current one. She just got really tall. And so I found a 24-inch women's mountain bike on Facebook Marketplace, gently used. There's a lot of really nice bikes out there on Marketplace that are just not being used by the people who have them. And so we're giving them a new life without having to spend a ton of money on a brand new one for the same product. That is hiding downstairs in my closet, but I will try to catch a little bit of it tomorrow when she gets it to put in here. So that is what we got Kavannah for her 9th birthday. What was your favorite thing, and do you have any other great ideas? Be sure to leave those in the comments down below, and thanks for hanging out with us. You are worth your own hard work. We love you guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye.